spoonful of salt, see who can hold it in their mouth the longest. Let's not wash up our spoons because it's just syrup on it. Yeah. It's good to taste so salty though.
You know what? Hold on, wait.
Get the big one. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
A pile full spoonful or whatever.
Alright, this is gonna be gross.
Ooh, this time a lot. Ooh. Tastes pretty good. You see, Sunny just blasted it at the window. Over and out.